Okay, good morning, children. So before I begin with the class, I hope that you are safe and you are taking these steps to protect yourself. Clean your hands often, cover coughs and sneezes, avoid close contact, wear a face mask if you are sick, stay home if you are sick, clean and disinfect. So, and I hope you are spreading awareness in the society and in your neighborhood. Uh, you are all also awareing your relatives, your elder ones. So, children, it is the time when we have to be very careful, and hardly 2 more months are needed when vaccine will come, and after that, definitely we all will be safe. Now, so children, today we want to discuss the question paper, the assignment which I gave yesterday. And now here, so let us start with the assignment. So now children, here, the first question, Java can be used to create small applications, modules, which can be embedded in your web pages. Answer, applets. So, okay. So children, there are two types of programs. The first type of program is, I'm just telling you, the first type of program is standalone applications, and second type of program is applets. So applet is a program or module which runs on web browser in a secured manner. Got it? Any problem? And standalone applications are the applications which run on a single PC. Okay. And where networking is not there. Where networking is not there. So I hope you have understood. Children, when networking is involved, it simply means that two or more computers you have shared. So standalone PC means only one single computer. Now next question. Dash are the real world entities. Objects are the real world entities. Okay. And Java programming language is developed by James Gosling. Okay. And one more Indian was within the team. Tell me the name of that popular Indian. With James Gosling, one Indian was also there. Beta, please tell. Vinod Khosla. Who was that? Vinod Khosla. He is now Indian American there. Okay. Now next question. The process of converting the programming statements to machine language code by it is compilation, and it is the compiler which converts high level language programs into machine language codes. Okay, so there are smallest meaningful elements in Java programs are known as tokens. Very good, tokens. Every statement written in Java ends up with a semicolon. No, it is not there, because if you write conditional if, this will not end. It is false. It is not true. I hope you have understood, or shall I explain? Understood? Uh, Okay. Which extension is used to save the Java programs? Dot Java. Okay. Now the execution of the program begins from. No, 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 no. It is, it begins from the main method. It begins from the main method. The execution of the Java program begins from the main method. It never begins from the import. Let me check what is the answer here. It is main, children. Got it? Now take the correct precedence from lower to higher. Plus, less than, modulus, second one. Okay. Less than and this. Actually, children, here in this, what you need to do, you need to write the expression. First of all, you need to write the expression. And then you have to check. Got it? So first of all, you need to write the expression. And after that, suppose your expression is like suppose your expression is if plus plus a is more than b into c. So it depends on the cases. Here what will happen, plus plus a will get calculated first, and then b into c will get calculated first, second, and then comparison will happen. So it depends. So it depends on the situation, right? Okay, now next question is, these are the reserved words. Keywords are the reserved words. Okay, now one question I am just giving you. These are the names given to different parts of the program. Children, these are the names, names. These are the names given to different parts of the program. Children, just wait for 1 second. These are the names given to different parts of the program. Will you please tell me the answer of this? Names give No, names given to different parts of the program means name of the variable, name of the class, name of the method, like that. These are the names given to different parts of the program. So actually these are known as identifiers. So whenever question is such that what are identifiers, so you can say that identifiers are the names given to different parts of the program. Got it? Are got it or not? These are the names. Now is it clear? These are the names given to different parts of the program. Hello? These are the names given to different parts of the program. Yes. Am I audible now? Okay. These are the names given to different parts of the program. Is it clear now? Isha Jan. Beta, am I audible, children, or not? Okay, so these are the names given to different parts of the program are identifiers. Okay, now next question. So children, here in this, you need to find out the answer. What is the answer? What will be the value of here C. 14. Okay, let us see that it is 14. If anybody is confused, please let me know. I will help. So how these values are come? Okay, now see. Initial value of A is 5. So here 5 will be used. And after that, the value of A becomes 6. When it reaches here, it becomes 7. And now here, what is the value of B? The value of B is 0. So 1, that is 1. It is plus B, which becomes 1. And here it is again plus, so 1 into 2. So 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 2, which is 14. It is the correct answer. Answer 15 will not come. Rest of you, please mute yourself and listen carefully. All of you, please be muted and listen to what I'm saying. If you have any query, then you can unmute and then you can ask your query. So children, again I repeat, here initial value of A is 5. So it is 5. When control moves here, it becomes 6. When it reaches here, it becomes 7 because plus A. And initial value of B was 0. Now here plus B is 1. So 1 into and plus B which is 2. So it is 12 plus 2 which is 14. This is the answer. Now I would like to move on the next question. Yes. What will be the value of C here? Okay, now let us see that. Here it is A minus, so value of A was 11, it will remain 11, but when it reaches here it becomes 10, and when it forwards it becomes 10, and when it reaches here it becomes 10, 9. And then it is again 9. So 11 plus 9 is 20, and 20 plus 9, which is 29. If you have any query, then please see that. So this is what. Now move on to the next question. Here what is the answer? Math.sqrt is, yes, it is, the answer is 16.0. If you have any confusion, then please ask, I will definitely explain. Children, I requested all of you to please mute yourself. When you want to ask anything, then you can unmute, otherwise be muted. Okay. So here what is the answer? Children, math.sqrt is 16, so it is, yes, where here? It is plus A. Now here. Yes, what is the answer here? Just wait, children, just wait. Here, yes. Okay, it is 16.0. Now next one, this one. Yes, here what is the answer? It is, the answer will be 5.0. So n is 25.0 and remainder we are calculating. You are modular. You are doing the modulus. You are implementing this modulus operation. So the last digit will come. Okay. Now if you have to find out last digit of 3-digit number, what is the answer? Mod by 10. Okay. Now next this one. What is the answer here? Pre eh, where this one? This is modulus by 10. It is what? This is if you want the last digit, if you want to children, if you want the last digit, you have to modulus it by 10. If you want the last two digits, you have to modulus it by 100. If you want the last three digits, you have to modulus it by 1000. Now next one, this one. Here answer. Okay. So let us see that. Math.min 32, 16, answer will be 16. And math.max 4, 16, answer will be 16. And the square root of 16 is 4.0. Children, this is the answer, and whoever has said 4, the option is not given only. So how can you say that it is 4? Now next question. This is the 7th one. Again 4. Let us see that. Math.max plus b comma c. Math.max plus b comma c, which is plus b means 5 comma c, it is 5. No, 6. And math.min plus a 4 6, which is 4. And math.sqrt is 2 here. And math.pow, which is 2 2, which is 4. But the answer will be double type. Okay. Children, here answer is 4. Okay. But in the examination, you will see the answer will be a double type, which is 4.0. If such question comes. Because math.pow and math.sqrt returns a double value. Okay. Evaluate this part. Please solve. It is 7 2. So answer is 2. And here it is math.max 3 4. Answer is 4. So 4 2, which is 16.0. Yes. It is 16. Any query, then please tell. Please tell if you have any query. Okay, now next one. Which is the 9th one? What will be the output for the following code? C is equals to plus a, this one. C is equals to plus a. Okay, let us see that. Here plus a, which is 8, plus a minus, which is again 8. But when value reaches here, it becomes a 7. So here it becomes 14. And when this a reaches here, it was 7 here, it is 8. So plus 8. Just add all these. Answer is, this answer is 38. Yes. Now next question. So what will be the output of the following code? Int a is equals to 5, b is equals to 5. Beta, I told you, I'm continuously telling you people to mute yourself. When you want to ask, then unmute. But you people are not listening. Okay, now what will be the output of the following code? Last question, 10th. A is 5, B is 5, and A mod B is not 1. Yes, it is completely divisible. So this is, okay, so this is all about the question paper. Okay, now we want to do some questions. Yes. Yes, I will explain. Where you want to represent? In double quotes, mention percentage symbol. In double quotes, mention that symbol. And percentage symbol is there. Num key, you can see that num key before the function key, which is F4. Before F4, this modulus is there. So now, if you want the last digit, modulus it by 10. If you want the last digit, modulus it by 10. So here you can see that. So that is 9. So if you increase one more zero, last two digits will come. And if you add one more digit, last three digits will come. Total number of zeros, just count and then last digit. So this is how it is working. Any other query? Any other query, children? So first digit, if you divide this number by 1000, you will get the first digit. Because you have to consider how many digits you have to eliminate. So since in order to extract the first digit, you have to eliminate last three digits. That's why you need to divide this number by 1000. If you want to extract first two digits, then you have to divide this number by 100. If you want to extract first three digits, you have to divide this number by 10. And if you want to extract all the digits, then divide this number by 1. As simple as that. Any other query? Done. Okay. Okay, now children, we are going to do one more question. And the question is just to calculate salesman commission. And how to calculate salesman commission? See, when sales done by the salesman is given. Yes, excuse, बोलिए. Yes, okay. So when sales done by the salesman is given, so conditions are given as sales up to 7,000, commission is 10%. greater than or equals to greater than 7,000 and up to 15,000, commission is 12%, and more than 15,000 it is 18%. This is the question. And now you have to do this question. So just follow the same specification. So how many things are needed? Children, you will be needing a variable sales, and here you need this variable commission. And now what to do is scanner SS new scanner, and here simply you need to input enter sales, and that is sales is SS dot next double, and now you have to apply the logic. So just children, just see this slab, sales up to 7,000. So if sales are less than or equals to 7,000, what to do? Commission is how much? 10%, which is 0.10 into sales. So this is how you have to calculate. You know the formula, that is sales into 10 by 100. So 10 by 100 we can write in terms of 0.10. Else if sales are less than or equals to what? That is 15,000. So what to do? Commission is 0.15 into sales, and finally the else part will come. So in else part what to do? In else part what to do? It is 18%. So commission is 0.18 into sales. This is what to do. 0.18 into sales. And after that what to do here? Sales are how much? Sales, and commission is how much? That is commission. So children, this is what you have to do. So here suppose you have committed the sales of 12,000, the commission you will get as 1,800. Because 12,000 is more than 7, but within 7,000 to 15,000, and its 15% commission is 1,800. Any query, then please tell. So children, any query? Then please tell this the same question. The solution of this I am posting on the GCR. So I am posting on the GCR. So this is I have posted. So now any other query you want? If class 8th. And earlier, children, how many type of questions we have done? Which type of? Library find we have done? Huh? We have done. Okay, you have done. And one more question on the grade type, grades. Okay, very good. So we have done all. So, okay, let us see that question of grade. Okay, so just revise that. So children, here we have to input the marks of the 3 subjects, and then we have to calculate, enter marks of 3 subjects, calculate the average, and print the child's grade by considering the following assumptions. So average less than or equals to average less than 60, student has failed. Greater than or equals to 60 and less than 70, what is the grade? Grade C. Greater than or equals to 70 and less than 80, that is grade B. Greater than or equals to 80 and less than 90, that is grade A, and greater than or equals to 90, that is grade grade A plus. So children, this is what you have to write. So now we are going to do the same. I hope you all have understood this question. So children, here we have to just see 3 subjects: subject 1, subject 2, and subject 3. We have to see that, and one more variable, average, we need to find out. Scanner SS, new scanner, system.in, enter marks of 3 subjects, that is subject 1 is ss.next double, and subject 2 is ss.next double, and subject 3 is ss.next next double. So we have got that, and here average is, that is subject 1 plus subject 2 plus subject 3 by 3. So this is how we have got the average. It is 3, children. Now implement the conditions. So according to the condition number 1, if marks are less, so if average is less than 60, the student is failed. So simply you have to write failed. Else if average is less than 70, the student has got the grade A, grade C. Children, remember that when this given condition is false, then only control will reach this. If the given condition is true, then rest of the conditions will be bypassed. Else if average is less than 80, then what? Then here it is grade B. Else if average is less than 90, then grade A, and if none of the conditions are true, then it is grade A plus. So if you have any query, any confusion, please tell. I would like to execute the same for you. Now here you can see that I have entered the marks of 3 subjects like 89, 98 and 92. You can see that the average is more than 90, that's why grade A plus. So if none of the conditions are true, this A plus got printed because all these conditions were false, that's why else part. Because marks are, average marks are more than 90. These are not less than 60, first condition false, not less than 70, second condition is also false, third condition is also false, fourth is also false, like that, like that. So in the same, now just execute it one more time. Here you can see that the marks are 78, 87 and 67. Now you can see that grade B has come because the average here will be less than 80. That's why. So this code is okay. Now the same this question also I am posting on the GCR question along with the solution, right? So if you have any query, any confusion, you are free to ask. Children, please ask if you have any query. Yes, you can ask. So please ask. Yes, children. Now, so any query, then please ask. And if not, you can leave the session after filling the attendance. The attendance form is there on the GCR. Welcome, 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 welcome. Now,